Hello everybody. Hey, I've been watching the news and we've got a new directive from the New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern. So what I've done is I've put together all of her statements and come up with Jacinda's list. That would be a good name for a film, wouldn't it? Anyway, let's see what she says. Number 1, wear your chin hammock. Okay, well, I've got my chin hammock here. Let's just put that on. Make sure it's nice and comfortable, supporting my chin. Yep, that's good. Number 2, take the right measures. Right, okay, we're looking into that one, and as soon as we find out what it means, we're definitely going to take the right measures. Number 3, have the vaccine. Okay, and number 4, stop the spread. So here's what we're going to do, everybody. I want us all to learn Jacinda's list, and together we can stop the spread.